Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for past 2 months, I have no life. I have no job. I'm not going out. I'm not meeting friends. I don't have friends. So all I'm trying to do is just like build this thing. I'm not using phones, Android, anything. I have my laptop is broken. I just have one PC, and I'm compiling cert and doing things, and like everything from this machine only. And we even have one app now. So one of my friend, like, I'm trying to lead a team of 5 people, and they are doing really great. Like, they are all like youngsters, like 22-year-old, really nice guys. So like, we don't know like where we are heading, but we are working so much on this product, like, and we are so close. Like, we are almost like, this dev server is live, and some people are using it and they're loving the product. I have no clue like how they are understanding this thing, but many people are still confused what this thing is, and even I can't explain. Like, hello, who are you? So let's just try to explore it. I mean, see, I cannot add so much junk on this page, okay? Like, we cannot turn this into like a business because my false mindset, this free software virus in me, is always like, I can always create things like this, but I can never create like things like this. I tried really hard, but investors might not like this. They might see this as like very basic stuff, but you can actually do a lot. Okay, in fact, you can combine Suno, 11 Labs, Nano Banana, a lot of functionality, and we are doing all of it with such a simple, chat interface. And you can use any language, okay? Like, um, list some agents I can tag. Like, you can use German, Russian, and you can access like so many agents. All right, like these agents, some I need to remove. So we even have like this agents page where you can see like what these agents are doing. So this is like some markdown. So it's a very simple system, which like, for example, like if you have some idea of some like really good Python script which is solve some problem, you can always turn that solution into some function or some tool, and you can just add that tool in some agent and create agent. It's super simple to create agent. We just do everything with CLI. It's a bare minimum system, but it's just highly functional. Okay, so like, I wanna buy some dress on me. So basically this Sione, so she's like master boss kind of person, and she's going to connect with the right agent for the right thing. So you can do anything like AI dubbing, any AI model inferencing. Like, we are adding, so we care about solution first, so we are adding like solutions and not like all the models which are out there. Like, it's not technical, it's for normal people. So let's just give like, this this is my photo. So a person does not have to learn how to use some tool. Like, this chat interface is going to take the person to that point, and with the app in place, we can do a lot. Okay, so this is the dress I want to try. You know what, I want to try both these dresses. So I can add like two dresses, and it can even run tool multiple times. Like, that's a beauty. Like, LLM is going to make the decision, and it is going to understand your needs. So yes, yes, do it. Oh, I gave the full body. I think it does not know like this. Okay, it is doing it now. I'm assuming the first pic you send, this is okay, so it automatically assume. So yeah, LLM. So there is one update which I'm thinking about, like, we can add GCP provide like Vision API, and by using Vision API, like, like LLM can even see the pictures. Like, I will add it in the prompt. So the system is highly stable. Like, many people are testing it, and we even added like this Suno and a lot of other services like which are popular. And my goal is like automatically edit at the best model which are out there for any particular task. Okay, so that is my goal. And like, just make this press green, so you can play the, like, the output of one agent can become the input of another agent. And we are not just doing like image operation, we are doing like a lot of other things. Like for example, in archive, I can show you, because we are so broke, we don't even have money for credits. But don't worry, I'm not going to share my PayPal. We can manage to make this thing alive without any crowdfunding or anyone's funding. Like, I can do that, I believe. So yeah, so we can generate songs with Suno, and this is quite incredible thing to do. So yeah, the system is good, it's highly stable, and we can. So just think about it. Like, if tomorrow, if I right now I ask you to create a product which can do assignment, assessment, okay, so what you need? You need some really good OCR. Let's say like GCP provide like really good OCR. And what else you need? Like you need like you need this LLM. Okay, so LLM can do the assessment. So if I ask you to, convert it into a product, well, you have to then create a platform where you have to add like pricing, you have to add like user registration, you have to, like add like management, like a lot of security things like login and all. So but with this platform, my goal is like tomorrow, if we have like any idea, which we always have, like I always come up with like really clever solutions for problem. So we can actually really easily like create a MCP server, and you don't even have to write code yourself. Like you can, oh god, like let me just, you can actually, so we attach like our MCP hub repo with Gemini, and we can like ask to write a server and give any API, and it will write the code. And we can even, like I use it for business purpose. Like I can ask like how much, um like nano banana tool costs, and it is going to look into the repo and just respond. So with such technology, things are becoming like more easier. Okay, so that was my goal, like adding functionality really quickly, like create some a anime girl wearing art glasses. So currently, like we did a lot of research on image generation. I learned about LoRa's and stuff, and on this Civit civitai.com. Yeah, so I even added like a lot of underrated models. Like there are a lot of models made by people on this platform which are highly cheap, highly underrated, and even support like NSFW. But sadly, we cannot have like NSFW because multiple reasons. Like one is like we are using like Gemini 2.5 Flash, so this model is going to censor things. So people, even if we have like NSFW tools, it's not going to help us like in any way. So yeah, like that is our thing. Like this is our small thing. Like you can use like all major LLS functionality, all Suno music functionality, which is one single chat interface in any language via app with single subscription. And trust me, like we really don't seek a lot of money from this thing, because we want to keep like pricing really cheap. But let's just make this thing first live and let then see. But this user interface, okay, like if I log out, like see, it's, I just love Svelte. Like Svelte is just so simple, okay, like it's 10 times better than React. And I like look at it, like the login experience, it just, so that's the kind of applications which people need. Like not, like people should learn from this. Even though this is like my creation, like I really feel like usability first, and user like customer need first. So this is actually where we are fulfilling, like that's what people want. Like they want like straight up solution to things, and we are going to provide like a lot of agents, like with all the fancy AI stuff which you see out there but don't know how to use. Okay, so that was my vision. Thanks for watching.